This movie covers how to make a 3-color image in IRSA Viewer. From the main IRSA Viewer page, go to Images, and then pick Create 3-Color Composite. Now, for each one of the planes, you need to select your image source. From IRSA Holdings, your own image from disk, the web, the IRSA workspace, or ignore that plane. I'm going to search IRSA's Holdings. Then I want to put in M16. Just like for all the other IRSA searches, there's a dizzying array of choices, but I'm going to weed this down to just Ys, and then for the red plane, I'm going to pick Ys 4. Since I have picked Ys 4, the tool is going to try to be super helpful, and then for green, it's going to use the same size and suggest that I use Ys 2, and for blue, Ys 1. You can override that, but it's trying to be helpful. Search. There's a 3-color image. In terms of troubleshooting, where you're most likely to stumble is that the tool will downsample the image to match the pixel scale of whatever image you load in as the red plane. So going back to the Image tab, for red, I'm going to change the red plane from Ys to IRSA 12 microns. So the red plane is IRSA. When we go to green, it's still Ys, and blue, it's still Ys. Search. So now it's downsampled the image to match the resolution of that IRSA image. So just something to be aware of when you're creating 3-color images.